Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to redeem your Roblox gift cards. You might have gotten it for your son, your daughter, your child overall, or you might be the one that's receiving it. So you want to redeem it. Okay, and how can you do that? Easy. Just grab your phone and get out of the Roblox app. Why? Because you cannot redeem gift cards in the Roblox app. You can do it from any browser on your computer or from your phone. So let's head over to our browser and go to this website, roblox.com/gift cards. You can just type in Roblox Redeem and it will be taken to the page you want to go. The first one that pops out is for the gift cards where we were just there. And you can just select the top right corner right over here where it says redeem, and you'll be taken to the redeem page. Or just to quickly show you, just click the second ring that shows up where it says Roblox Redeem. You can just type in roblox.com/redeem, and here you'll be requested the gift card's code. So each gift card has a barcode, and right underneath it there is a code that you must type in right over here. And once you do, whatever that code may be, just click redeem, and if you type it in the code correctly, it will reward you with your Roblox to your account. And that's pretty much it. Hope this helped you, and if it did, like and subscribe. See you next time. Have a nice day.